All right, here we go. This is a 2006 Suzuki GZ250. Kind of turn it into a little tour bike, if that's possible. So, been sitting for a long time. Just did the carburetor on it. So, about to take it for a little test drive. But the sun's going down and I wanted to get a little bit of a video so I can edit some video and stuff tonight. See what's going on. But I wanted to get it on there so everybody could take a look. So there you go. There it is. 2006 Suzuki GZ250. Ready to go. So let's see what it does. Fired right up. Let's check, see if his lights are working. Very nice. Very nice. I haven't ridden it with these bags on it yet, so that's going to be interesting how they vibrate and shake all over the place. All right, take it for a spin. Thanks for watching.